Today we are going to see here our second lecture of our modal auxiliary verbs, and that's what can and could. Yesterday I taught you here how to use can in English and where exactly we can use English in English. Can. When do we use can in English?
Possibility.
Very good.
Possibilities,
Very good. Possibility,
Ability and
ability,
ability, and permission.
and
Very good.
permission.
Correct. We use can for ability, possibility, and permission. Is that clear? We use can
Yes,
for
sir.
ability, possibility, and permission. And yesterday we started making sentences with can. For example, I can swim. Can I swim? I can't swim. Even we have made sentences with the other pronouns too. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's have a round in descending order that we are going to make sentences here with they. They can. Can they? They can't. Can you please make some sentence with they can?
They can believe. Can they believe? They can't believe.
Believe. Next.
They can work together. Can they work together? They can't work together.
Very good. Next.
They can dance. Can they dance? They can't dance.
Dance. Next.
They can arrange event. Can they arrange
An
event?
event.
They can't.
An event.
They can't arrange an event.
Very good. Next.
They can swim. Can they swim? They can't swim.
Swim. Next. Next.
They can do. Can they do? They can't do.
Do. Next.
They can play. Can they play? They can't play.
Can they play? Next one.
They can plan. Can they plan? They can't plan.
Plan. Next.
They can watch. Can they watch? They can't watch.
Watch. Next.
They can run. Can they run? They can't run.
Next. They can.
They can watch a TV. Can they watch a TV? They can't watch a TV.
Watch a TV. Next.
They can arrange the
They
party.
can live.
Can they?
Can they arrange?
Can they arrange party? They can't arrange the party.
Arrange a party.
They can take a break. Can they take a break? They can't take a break.
A
They
break.
can speak
Next.
English. Can they speak English? They can't speak English.
Speak English. Next.
They can practice.
They
Can
can
they
choose it.
practice? They can't practice.
Next.
They can
Next.
believe.
We can. Can we make sense in the we can?
Can believe.
We can believe. Can we believe? We can't believe. Next.
They can painting. Can they painting? They can't.
No. We can. We can.
We can painting. Can we painting? We can't painting.
We can paint. We can paint. Can we paint? We can't paint. Repeat.
We can paint. Can we paint? We can't paint.
Next.
We can window shopping.
We
Can
can
we window
follow.
Engineer
shopping?
Anachi.
We
Right?
can't
Can
window
we write?
shopping.
We can't.
We
Right.
can do shopping. Can we do shopping? We can't do shopping. Yes, Miss Aisha.
We
We
can
can-
ride. Can we ride? We can't ride.
Right. Next.
We can buy a phone. Can we
teach-
buy a phone? We can't buy a phone.
Next.
We can follow. Can we follow? Follow. We can't follow.
Follow. Follow. Next.
We can spread. Can we spread? We can't spread.
We can't.
Spread. Next.
We can try. Can we try? We can't try.
We can't see.
Next. Next. Next.
We can talk. Can we talk? We can't talk.
We can talk. Can we talk? We can't talk. Next.
We can
see-
handle situation.
Can we handle?
Can we handle situation? We can't handle situation.
A situation. A situation.
Okay.
Next.
We can leave a meeting. Can we leave a meeting? We can't leave a meeting.
Leave a meeting. Next,
We can draw a picture. Can we draw a picture? We can't draw a picture.
a picture. Next,
We can keep work hard. Can we keep work hard? We can't keep work hard.
work hard. Next,
We can
We
protect. Can we protect? We can't protect.
you can. Mix sentences with you can.
You can do
stand
something.
together. Can we
Can you do
stand
something?
together?
You can't do something.
Very good. Next,
You can see a video. Can you see a video? You
Hmm.
can't see a video.
next,
You can say,
You can
can
pray.
we say,
Can
pray. Next,
You can speak English. Can you speak English? You can't speak English.
English.
you can
Next.
shoot? Can we shoot? We can't shoot.
You can't shoot. Next,
you can observe? Can you observe? You can't observe.
next,
You can read. Can we read? We can't read. You can't read.
you can't read. Next,
You
You
can do
can
work
win.
hard.
Can you win? You can't win.
win. Next,
You can do work
You-
hard. Can you do work hard? You can't do work hard.
work hard. Next,
You can sweep the floor. Can you sweep the floor?
you can't sweep.
You can't sweep the floor.
Next,
You can draw. Can we draw? Can you draw? Can you
you
can't draw?
can't draw. Next,
You can
You
go outside.
can forget. Can you forget? You can't forget.
next,
You can go outside. Can you go outside?
can
You
we
can't
catch?
go outside.
next,
You can catch. Can we? Can you catch? You can't catch.
catch. Next one, it can. Can you please give me some sentences with it can? It can.
It can throw
It
a
can-
ball. Can it throw a ball? It can't throw a ball.
Next,
It can be
can
possible.
cry.
Can it be possible? It can't be possible.
next,
It can cry. Can it cry? It can't cry.
next,
It can fly. Can it fly? It can't fly.
next, it can.
It can inform. Can it inform? It can't inform.
Next, Raza.
It can.
Can
It
go.
can cry. Can it cry? It can't cry.
Next,
It can move. Can it move? It can't move.
next,
It can hold. Can it hold? It can't hold.
next.
It can order. Can it order? It can't order.
It can't order. Next,
It can swim. Can it swim? It can't swim.
good. Next,
It can achieve. Can it achieve? It can't achieve.
next,
It can. It can walk. It can. It can walk. Can it walk? It can't walk.
okay. So yesterday we have finished with our can. Any doubts to anyone?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So when do we use can in English?
Possibilities,
Possibility.
ability, and permission.
Ability,
Ability,
possibility, and permission.
permission.
Correct? We use can for
Yes.
ability, possibility, and permission. Now the next one is what I'm going to show you here is what could. Next model auxiliary verb is there, could. जो भी हमारा होता रहेगा मैं उसको blue करते रहूंगा. Okay? So the next one is what? Could.
Could.
Could is our next model auxiliary verb. Okay? Now when do we use could? When do we use
Past
could?
tense.
Actually, can and could both are the same. Can and could both are the
Same.
same. Can and could both are the same. Now let me tell you here. We can use could for ability, possibility, and permission, the same. As we are using can for ability, possibility, and permission, we are using could for ability, possibility, and permission. But what's the difference between can and could? If can and could
Could
both are the
use for
same,
past tense.
हाँ
Can
ये
use
गलती
in
करना
present.
नहीं, ये गलती नहीं करना. Exactly. कल मैंने जय को आंसर नहीं दिया था. कल जय बीच में घुस के बोल रहे थे यहाँ पे मैं
Yes,
इसको
sir.
प्रेजेंट बोलूंगा कि फ्यूचर बोलूंगा. नो, मैंने कल आज जय को आंसर क्यों नहीं दिया? बिकॉज दैट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हियर दैट व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कैन एंड कुड. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. आप लोगों ने कभी सुना है जब मैं बात करता हूँ आई स्पेशली यूज दैट कुड. मैं कैन का भी यूज ही नहीं करता हूँ. कभी देखा है आप लोगों ने मैं कैन की यूज करता हुआ? मुझे कभी जनरली मैं कैन यूज करता ही नहीं हूँ. I use their could. You will listen to me whenever you are going to listen to me. You will find there I'm using could. Especially I use their could. Now let me tell you one more thing. जैसे मैंने आप लोग को पहले पूछा था, पहले बताया था. I think yesterday only. कल ही मैंने आप लोग को ये टॉपिक लिया था, right? So इंग्लिश में इज्जत बेइज्जती होती है क्या कुछ? ऐसे मैंने आप लोग को बताया था कल बराबर? तो
No,
नहीं
sir.
होती है. Yes, होती है. वो कैसे होती है? Now have a look here. If you see here, can is like 1 star. Can is like 1 star. So could is like 2 stars. Star मैंने क्यों दिया हूँ? Just to find out the ratings over here. Can is like 1 star. So could is like 2 stars. Okay. Wait a minute, please. Sorry. So can is like 1 star, so could is like 2 star. Means what? Could is more polite than can. Point number 1. Feature number 1. The difference between can and could is what? Could is more polite than can.
Can.
Could is more polite than can. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं तू और तुम, दोनों में से कौन सा अच्छा है?
तुम.
करेक्ट, तुम. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर कुड जो है वो तुम कैसे काम करेगा, मतलब इन्हें से समझना है. मीनिंग उसका वो नहीं है. हाँ, मीनिंग उसका वो नहीं है. मीनिंग कैन का क्या था? कर सकता हूँ. एबिलिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी एंड परमिशन. सेम कुड के लिए भी क्या यूज करते हैं हम लोग? वी यूज कुड फॉर 3 moods and those are what? Ability, possibility and permission. Second thing, can and could both are the same, but can is like 1 star, so could is like 2 stars.
2 star.
Okay, difference number 1. ये पहला difference है. Can is 1 star, so could is like 2 stars. Second thing, second difference between can and could. Now when do we use can? In what tenses do we use can? We use can only for present and future. Present and future only. For example, here can we can use only for present and future. For example, I can drive a car now. It is the sentence of I can drive a car
Present.
now. Present. I can drive a car tomorrow. Future. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Next one. जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे 2 मैडम लोग बोल रही थी कुड पास्ट में यूज करते, ऐसे नजमा, उजमा, सुनीता, मोमिता मिस ने बोले थे, वो आधा था. लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. कैन का पास्ट फॉर्म कुड नहीं है. पहली बात तो ये सुनो, बिकॉज कैन इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल वर्ब. इट्स अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आई नो इट्स अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बट इट्स नॉट अ नॉर्मल वर्ब. कैन कैनिंग होता है क्या?
नहीं.
No.
कम कमिंग होता है?
No, sir. Yes.
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 Come coming, play playing, go going, assist assisting. Yes or no? Drive driving, ride riding. Can canning होता है?
No.
नहीं.
No. So it's not a normal verb. It's a helping verb. So इसको अपन इसका past form पहली बात तो नहीं बोलेंगे. Point number 1. Now we can use could for present, past and future. मैं क्यों use करता हूँ could? वजह क्या है? वजह तुम हो. यहाँ ध्यान दो. क्यों है वजह उसकी? If you see here, we can use their could for present, past and future. तीनों में यूज कर सकते हैं. इतना अच्छा है कुड. सेकेंड थिंग, कुड क्या है और अच्छा है, यहाँ पे अगर कैन है तो कुड का लेवल ये वाला है. आई गेटिंग द पॉइंट्स? कुड का लेवल ऊपर वाला है, कैन ये है, कुड का लेवल ऊपर वाला है. सो वी कैन यूज देयर कुड at a very good level and we can use could for present, past and future, all the tenses. तीनों में चलता है. For example, I could run fast when I was a child. मैं फास्ट भाग सकता था जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था. ओके, मैं छोटा बच्चा था जब था ना, तब मैं बहुत फास्ट भाग सकता था. सो इट्स द पास्ट सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट, आई कुड गो नाउ. मैं भी जा सकता हूँ. कोई रोकने वाला है क्या मुझे? आई कुड गो नाउ. सो प्रेजेंट. एंड आई कुड मीट यू टुमारो. इट इज द फ्यूचर. तो जो अपने टीचर ने बोला था दैट कुड पास्ट टेंस से कैन का टीचर इज झुट्टी. ओके,
सर आई कैन गो नाउ भी हो सकता है ना? आई कैन.
Obviously, मैंने क्या बोला देखो यहाँ पर, कैन हम लोग प्रेजेंट के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं मैम, फ्यूचर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और कुड वी कैन यूज फॉर ऑल द टेंसेस. इज दैट क्लियर? मुझे बोलना
Yes,
है आई
sir.
कैन गो नाउ मैं बोल सकता हूँ, और आई कुड गो नाउ बोल सकता हूँ, पर दोनों में फर्क क्या है मिस महक, कैन एंड कुड में?
कैन प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर के लिए यूज होता है और कुड प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर के लिए.
और दूसरा डिफरेंस क्या है मैडम?
कैन के लिए 1 स्टार और कुड के लिए 2 स्टार है सर.
हाँ, ऐसा स्टार किसने दिया?
आपने.
हाँ, खाली मैंने दिया स्टार. वो वैसे स्टार रहता क्या वो?
नहीं.
स्टार का मतलब क्या है? could is much more polite than can.
Can.
Okay,
Can.
मतलब could अच्छा है can से. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
So दुखड़ा, have a look here. Please pay attention.
मतलब सर कैन से ज्यादा कुड हम ऐसा मतलब कुछ बोलना हो
अच्छा
हमें.
है. Very good. Can से ज्यादा could अच्छा है तो could use कर सकते हैं हम लोग. For example, same case, statement, question and the negative. For example, I can swim in a river. उसकी जगह पे मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? I could swim in a river. Question, could I swim in a river? Negative,
I couldn't.
I couldn't swim in a river. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Simple. For example, she can complain to my mother, or she could complain to my mother. Ability or possibility. Next, can she complain to my mother? क्या वो मेरी mother को complain करने वाली है? Could she complain to my mother, or she can't complain to my mother, or she couldn't complain to my mother? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next one, they could assist me. Question, could they assist me? Negative, no, they couldn't assist me. वो लोग मेरी मदद नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो लोग खुद वांदे हैं. Next, same case here. Ability, possibility and permission. For example, could you teach English? I could teach English. I have the ability, I could teach English. Next, she could ride a bike. She has the ability, she could ride the bike. Next, you could speak English. आप English बोल सकते हो. You could speak English. Next one, possibility, it could rain today. आज बारिश हो सकता है. Or Pawar could come tomorrow. आज भी absent है पापा जी. So Pawar could come tomorrow. Next, she could speak in future very well. Okay, this is what possibility. And permission, could I come in? ऐसा लोग बोलते नहीं है पर हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. लोग हमारे यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं? Can I come in? Can I come in? Yes or no? But we can say could I come in? Problem नहीं है. Ola same. Next, could she go home? क्या वो घर जा सकती है? Or could I have your address? Getting it? Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
कुड मतलब कैन से ज्यादा कुड हम यूज कर सकते हैं मतलब उसका इम्पोर्टेंस ज्यादा है क्या?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Could ज़्यादा अच्छा है can से. Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Good. So
No.
can and could both are the same. Yes, Raza.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Raza. Done.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we can use their could or we can use their can. Both are the same, but could is much more better than can. Can you please give me good sentences with could? I could. Sentences with I could. Could I? I couldn't. I could dance. Could I dance? I couldn't dance. I could go home. Could I go home? I couldn't go home. I could run. Could I run? I couldn't run. I could help. Could I help? I couldn't help. Next. I could laugh. Could I laugh? I couldn't laugh. Now please give me good sentence with I could.
I could borrow pen. Can I borrow? Could I
ऐसा
borrow pen?
ऐसा हाँ. I couldn't borrow a pen.
Couldn't borrow pen.
Correct. Next.
I could read.
leave. Could I leave? I couldn't leave.
Next.
I could read. Could I read? I couldn't read.
Very good. Next. जल्दी जल्दी. How many moods are there of could? Have a look here. Could के moods कितने हैं? How many moods are there of could? 3. Ability, possibility and permission. Where is it? Could. बाकी कहीं पे could दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? No.
No, sir.
We can use the could for ability, possibility and permission only. All right. Ability मतलब नहीं क्षमता. For example, I could speak English. मेरे में क्षमता है. I could speak English. Next, possibility. It could rain today. आज बारिश हो सकता है. Possibility है. It could rain today. Next, permission. Could I leave the meeting now? क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ छोड़कर? So, permission. Is that clear? So we are using
sir.
could only for
तब परमिशन
Three.
के लिए हम शुड भी यूज करते हैं ना?
नहीं के सही. ऐसा वो परमिशन के लिए should use नहीं करते हैं. ऐसे किसने बोला? यहाँ पे
तो
should है
मैंने
देखो
तो
परमिशन
सुना
के
है।
अंदर. नहीं, गलत सुना आपने. परमिशन के अंदर should है, आप लोगों को दिख रहा है यहाँ पर.
नहीं.
तो अपन नहीं यूज कर सकते उसको वहाँ पर.
ओके.
ओके. अगर हाँ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं लोग ऐसा should I go, तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है? क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? तो एक्चुअली ये परमिशन नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली उन लोगों से उनका सजेशन पूछ रहे हैं. यस और नो? आपको समझ में आ रही बात मेरी? अगर कोई बोल रहा है
Yes, sir.
should I go, क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए, तो ये परमिशन नहीं मांग रहा है वो, बल्कि उसके
Opinion.
सामने वाले का ओपिनियन चाहिए, उसको एडवाइस चाहिए. क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? अरे नाही रे, गप बस. जायची काही गरज नाही, तो झोपू शकतो. सो आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो यू शुडंट गो. वो एक अलग चीज है. ओके, चलो आज का हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. मेक सेंटेंसेस नाउ. जल्दी जल्दी. could, sentences with could. जल्दी जल्दी और भी जल्दी. फूलों के नाम, फलों के नाम. मेक सेंटेंसेस.
I could
I
sing a
could,
song. Could I sing a song? I couldn't sing a song.
Next.
I could shine. Could I shine? I couldn't shine.
Next.
I could move. Could I move? I couldn't move.
Next.
I could
I
make
could
project.
say. Could I say? I couldn't say.
Next.
I could
I could
write.
make
Could I
project.
write? I
Could I-
couldn't write.
I
Yes,
could
Jack.
make project. Could I make project? I couldn't make project.
Make a project. Make a project. Next.
Okay, sir.
I could make. Could I make? I couldn't make.
Very good. Next.
I could repair my
reply.
bike.
Could I reply? I
Could I
couldn't
repair my
reply.
bike?
Reply.
I couldn't
Next.
repair it.
Repair my bike. I could repair. Could I repair? I couldn't repair. Next.
I could
I-
spend. Could I spend? I couldn't spend.
And see the people who are being absent in these days, they will repent a lot. वो लोग का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होने वाला है. Why? Because they are going to miss something really very important. इसके बाद में एक नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट होने वाला है. ये फिनिश होने के बाद में prepositions in English बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद में इंटरजेक्शंस रहेगा हमारा. अभी सब बड़े बड़े टॉपिक्स निकल कर आने वाले हैं. ये आज से एब्सेंट हो फिर पूरा इंग्लिश आता है. रिमेंबर, कंपनी में बात कैसे करना है. I could tackle the situation, no problem at all. आप लोग को वहाँ पर बोलना पड़ेगा. Would like to have a look here in the project, please. बात करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को वहाँ पर. Is that clear? इंटरव्यू
Yes, sir.
क्रैक कैसे करते
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
तो आप लोग का जो डायलॉग है बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करेगा वो. I would like to discuss something about the salary. मेरी सैलरी क्या देने वाले तुम लोग, पहले मेरे को वो बोलो. आपने जैसा बोला तो समझो आपका कचरा हो ही गया फिर वहाँ पर. Getting it? So you have to just have a look there according to the situation. आप लोग वहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, it matters a lot. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that's why I just tell you, always remember the moment when I'm speaking over here, listen to me carefully. Why? Because the way I'm making sentences over here, if you are having a sort of problems with it, you can ask me anytime. And I will be helping you a lot with it, okay? So just try to use these things and it will help you a lot to make your communication more amazing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, इस
Excellent.
लेक्चर की
sir.
लिंक है यूट्यूब पे.
Yes, madam. वो जो मैंने आपको लिंक दिया ना, उसके अंदर सब लेक्चर है लाइन से एकदम.
इसकी भी है क्या सर?
इसकी आज बनाने वाला हूँ मैं.
ओके.
इसकी आज अलग से बनाने वाला हूँ. नहीं, बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. टाइम पास हो जाएगा बहुत बड़ा वो. मैं आप लोग को लिंक सेंड करता हूँ, उसके अंदर लेक्चर आपको मिल जाएगा ये वाला. ओके,
ओके.
नंबर्स के साथ में. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. और मैं भी देखता हूँ, तुम्हारे भाभी लोग बोले कि नवी लिंक बनाओ तो नवी लिंक बनाता हूँ. ओके, चलो मेक सेंटेंसेस.
I could cook food.
I trust. I couldn't trust.
नेक्स्ट.
I could deal. Could I deal? I can't deal.
couldn't deal.
Couldn't deal.
Next.
I could run fast. Could I run fast? I couldn't run fast.
Next.
I could perform well. Could I perform well? I couldn't perform well.
Next.
I could cook food. Could I cook food? I couldn't cook
I
food.
couldn't cook food. Good. Next.
I could give you a charger. Could I give you a charger? I couldn't give you a charger.
Good.
I
Yes.
could drink a tea. Could I drink tea? I couldn't drink a tea.
Not
Tea.
a tea. Only
Oh,
tea.
tea.
Next.
I could hide. Could I hide? I couldn't hide.
Next.
I could inform. Could I inform? I couldn't inform.
Good. Next.
I could go outside. Could I go outside? I couldn't go outside.
Next.
I could sell. Could I sell? I couldn't sell.
Sell. Next.
I could prepare. Could I prepare? I couldn't prepare.
Prepare. Next.
I could
meet. Could I meet? I couldn't meet.
Meet. Next.
I could
I
blow the
could-
candle. Could I blow the candle? I couldn't blow the candle.
I
Blow
could
the candle.
smoking. I could
Could smoking nahi. I could smoke.
Smoke. I could smoke. Could I smoke? I couldn't smoke.
Smoke. Next.
I could win. Could I win?
Could
I couldn't win.
win. Next.
I could drink a juice. Could I drink a juice? I couldn't drink a juice.
Can you say a juice?
No, juice.
Correct. Next.
Juice.
Make sentence with he could, she could. He could, she could. Easy. He could, she could.
He could appreciate. Could he appreciate? He couldn't appreciate.
Appreciates. Next.
He could practice. Could he practice? He couldn't practice.
Practice. Next.
He
He
could
could
sing.
rude sometime. Could he rude sometime? He couldn't rude sometime.
Be rude. He could be rude. Could he be rude? He couldn't be rude. Next.
He
He
could
could
sing.
made.
He sing. He couldn't sing.
Correct. He could sing. Could he sing? He couldn't sing. Next. He could, she could.
He could make hooligan. Could he make made hooligan? He couldn't made hooligan.
मतलब क्या होता है सही उसका?
वो गुंडा बन सकता है.
He could become a hooligan. Could he become a hooligan? He couldn't become a. Correct. बन सकता है मतलब become, not make. Next.
He could open the door. Could he open the door? He couldn't open the door.
Next.
He could protect. Could he protect? Couldn't protect.
She could. Next one. She could.
He could shoot. Could she shoot? She couldn't shoot.
Next.
She
He
could
could-
meet my friend. Could she meet my friend? She couldn't meet my friend.
Next.
She could turn on the fan. Could
Could
she turn on the fan? She couldn't turn on the fan.
Very good. And please all of you try to make sentences with the reality. जो reality है ना उसके ऊपर sentence बनाने की कोशिश करो. आप लोग को English बहुत easy हो जाएगा. For example, the government could release the lockdown. Could the government release the lockdown? The government couldn't release the lockdown. Okay. It could release the lockdown. Could it release the lockdown? It couldn't release the lockdown. Next. It could allow masks. Could it allow masks? It couldn't allow masks. You could wear a mask. Could you wear a mask? We couldn't wear a mask. They could sanitize themselves. Could they sanitize themselves? They couldn't sanitize themselves. Yes, continue. Could.
She could vaccinated. Could she vaccinated?
Vaccinate.
She couldn't
Vaccinated.
vaccinated.
Correct. Vaccinated. She could vaccinate. Could she vaccinate? She couldn't vaccinate. Verb का first form आना चाहिए. She could swim. So swim is the first form. So she could vaccinate. Could she vaccinate? She couldn't vaccinate.
It could
Next.
vaccine harmful.
Repeat once again.
It could vaccine harmful.
No. सेंटेंस गलत हो रहा है. आप वैक्सीन भी बोल रहे हैं और इट भी बोल रहे हैं. आपको बोलना है वैक्सीन हार्मफुल हो सकता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
You must say vaccine could be harmful. Could vaccine be harmful? Vaccine couldn't be harmful. Or it could be
Okay.
harmful. Could it be harmful? It couldn't be harmful. So what is this it here? Vaccine.
Vaccine.
Correct. Vaccine
Okay.
के लिए it use कर रहे हैं अपन. ऐसा. Actually वो vaccine fixing कुछ नहीं है वो. That's what just the what do we say? Just to improve your immune system.
Immunity booster.
Correct. It is the immunity booster. Immunity booster. That's it. वैक्सीन फिक्सिन कुछ नहीं है वो. खाली इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर है वो आपका. आपको इम्यून सिस्टम जो आपको पावरफुल करेगा, उसको मजबूत करो, स्ट्रांग बनाएगा. That's it. And it is not guaranteed. One more thing. They are saying that you are only safe 55% after getting vaccinated. 100% भी नहीं है. Why? It is what just immunity booster. That's it. Nothing else. अपने यहाँ पे कंपनी में सब जगह अलाउ क्यों? वॅक्सिन घेतली तरच यायचं कंपनीने, नाही तर घरी जायचं. अरे काय आहे? अगं मैत्रीण घेतली का? घेतली आपण वॅक्सिन घेतली का नाही?
नाही.
कंपनीला जातेस का आपण?
वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू.
हा, आता कंपनीला जेव्हा जाणार ना आपण घ्यावं लागेल. चलो, लेट्स गो. Jay, have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you now? When have you taken this?
I have a fever for 3 days.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually that is
And
natural. Nah, that is natural, I know. That is natural, that fever and all for after getting vaccinated, it is natural. How are you now? When have you taken the vaccination?
Last month.
Okay, so it is okay now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's continue, please. Make sentences with it. It could. Or make sentences with it could. All of you. Garib Loka, make sentences with it could. Faster.
It could be fine. Could it be fine? It couldn't be fine.
Fine. Next.
It could be light. Could it be light? It couldn't be light.
Next.
It could be fly. Could it
It could
fly?
no. Yes. It could fly. Could it fly? It couldn't fly. Next. Repeat.
It could fly. Could it fly? It couldn't fly.
Very good. Next. Next.
It could run. Could it run? It couldn't run.
Very good. Next.
It could relatable. Could it relatable? It couldn't relatable.
Relatable. It could be relatable. Could it be relatable? It couldn't be relatable. Next.
Okay, sir.
Next.
It could be work.
Nine. Yes, continue.
It could be work. Could it work? It
couldn't work. Very good.
It
It could
could-
work. Could it work? It couldn't work.
It could prove.
Yes.
Could it prove? It couldn't prove.
Prove. Next. It could.
It could be fast. Could it be fast? It couldn't be fast.
Fast. Next.
It could spread. Could it spread?
It could be
couldn't-
annoy. Could it be annoy? It could.
It could annoy. Could it annoy? It couldn't annoy. Next. Yes, ma'am.
It could cry. Could it cry? It couldn't cry.
Good. Next.
It could speak. Could it speak? It couldn't speak.
Good. Yes, continue.
It could get. It could get cold. Could it get cold? It couldn't get cold.
Good. It could get cold. Could it get cold? It couldn't get cold. What weather? Very good. Next.
Election could be next month. Could be election next month.
Could election be next month? Election couldn't be in the next month.
Yes. And election couldn't be next month.
In the next month.
In the next month.
Correct. Yes.
It could rainy. Could it rainy? It couldn't rain.
It could rain. Could it rain? It couldn't rain. Or it could be rainy. Could it be rainy? It couldn't be rainy. What weather? Next.
It could smell something. Could it smell something? It couldn't smell something.
It couldn't smell something. Please correct, sir. It couldn't smell something.
And smell.
What is the mistake? All of you, please pay attention. It could smell something. Could it smell something? It couldn't smell something. एक काम करो, ऐसा बंदूक बिंदुक लो, मेरे को ऐसा उड़ा डालो. बाप रे. मिस शाइमा, मिस सना, मिस्टर रजा.
गुड बैड को चाहेगा ना?
क्या मैडम? It could.
गुड या बैड? अच्छी स्मेल है कि बुरी?
आपने उससे क्या लेना देना मैडम? गुड है कि बैड है? It could smell something. Could it? Question. Could it smell something negative? She said it couldn't smell something. ऐसा मैडम ने बोला जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है. आंसर अभी आपके सामने, अब तो बोलो. करेक्ट. एनीथिंग आएगा वहां पर. अरे अपन ने यूज किया था, मालूम है कि बचपन में 50 साल पहले जब क्लास ज्वाइन किया था. There are some cars. Are there some cars? They aren't any cars. Yes or no?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
नेगेटिव में एनी लगता है ना, आई ची
Yes,
शपथ, अरे बाप रे, अरे मेरे को एक काम करो, उड़ा डालो आप लोग, एक बॉम्ब में लगा के उड़ा डालो मेरे को, बाप रे, इसके लिए बोला था प्रैक्टिस रे, प्रैक्टिस एट होम, बेसिक का प्रैक्टिस करो. सी हियर, क्या था ये, देयर इज लेस एंशियसनेस, देयर आर fewer genes. Are there fewer genes? There aren't
Any gene.
any genes. Next, there isn't any beauty. Negative में any आता है. There isn't any champagne.
Champagne.
There aren't any pillows. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
बाप रे, कैसा होने का अपना, अभी इतना इजी पढ़ा रहा हूँ, इसके लिए बोला था प्रैक्टिस, बेसिक प्रैक्टिस करायचं. So it couldn't smell anything.
Anything.
आया?
Yes, sir.
प्रैक्टिस करो घर पर, वरना बहुत डेंजर हो जाएगा आप लोग का. Next one, please continue. Please give me good sentences now here once again. Yes, give me sentences with you could. You could. You could. Yes, sentences with you could.
You could try. Could you try? You couldn't try.
Next.
You could buy a car. Could you buy a car? You couldn't buy a car.
Next.
You could notice. Could you notice? You couldn't notice.
Notice. Next.
You could apply. Could you apply? You couldn't apply.
Next.
You could drink some water. Could you drink some water? You couldn't drink any water.
Very good. Next.
You could find a ring. Could I find a ring? Could
you?
you find a ring? You couldn't find a ring.
Next.
You could attend a meeting. Could
Could
you
you?
attend a meeting? You couldn't attend a meeting.
Attend the meeting. Next. You could. You could fight with me. Could you fight with me? You couldn't fight with me. Yes.
You could understand. Could you understand? You couldn't understand.
Next. Give me good sentences, please, here with the verbs.
You could
Yes.
help me. Could you help me? You couldn't help me.
Next. Take these words and make sentences. You could.
You could.
You
assist.
could adapt.
Could you assist?
Could you adapt?
Could you-
You couldn't adapt.
Very good. Adopt and assist. Next.
You could go the park. Could you go the park? You couldn't go the park.
Correct her. Go to the park.
Go to the park.
Correct. Next.
You could accept your mistake. Could you accept your mistake? You couldn't accept your mistake.
Accept your mistake. Next.
You could approach. Could you approach? You couldn't approach.
Approach. Next.
You could grow up. Could you grow up? You
Couldn't.
couldn't grow
Could
up.
you act well?
Grow up.
You
Grow
couldn't
up.
act well.
Act well. Next.
You could
You
ask
could-
question. Could you ask question? You couldn't ask question.
Questions. Next.
You could blame. Could you blame? You couldn't blame.
Blame. Next.
You could chat. Could you chat? You couldn't chat.
Chat. Next.
You could command. Could you command? You couldn't command.
Command. Next.
You could
climb.
communicate the
climb?
people.
You couldn't
Could
climb.
you communicate the people? You couldn't you couldn't communicate the people.
Very good. Communicate the people. Next.
You could compensate. Could you compensate? You couldn't compensate.
Compensate. Aisha ma'am.
You could cheat. Could you cheat? You couldn't cheat.
Cheat. Next.
You could
assist.
capture anything. Could you capture anything? You couldn't capture anything.
Next.
You could compare. Could you compare? You couldn't compare.
Compare. You could capture something. Could you capture something? You couldn't capture anything. Next.
Okay.
You could certify. Could you certify? You couldn't certify.
Certify. Next.
You could arrange the party. Could you arrange the party? You couldn't arrange the party.
Make sentences with we. We could.
We could abolish. Could we abolish? We couldn't abolish.
Next.
We could attack someone. Could we attack someone? We couldn't attack anyone.
Correct. Very good. Please pay attention, all of you. मेरा आप लोगों से क्वेश्चन है.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone singular or plural?
Plural.
टाइमिंग अच्छा है क्या उसका? मैडम यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. Everyone is singular or plural? Everyone is singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay. देखते हैं अभी कितने किसको वोट मिलते हैं. So Mahek is saying plural. Supriya is saying plural. Aisha ma'am. Singular or plural? Yes, madam.
Singular.
Okay, madam is saying singular. Yes. Raza?
Plural.
Plural. Sana?
Singular.
Singular. Shaima?
Singular.
Singular. Jai?
Singular.
Singular. Done? Okay. पहली बार मेरी लाइफ में ऐसे देख रहा हूँ कि पार्टी सही वाली जीत रही है. People are saying singular. Plural क्यों नहीं है? और कुछ लोग यहाँ पे बोले प्लूरल है. सुप्रिया, महक एंड रजा. प्लूरल क्या हिसाब से बोले था इसको? एवरीवन. वन मतलब 4, करेक्ट?
No.
5.
1 मतलब 1.
ऐसे भी रहता है क्या? मेरे को मालूम नहीं था. अरे एवरीवन सिंगुलर है. वो दिखने में अगर जसं दिसतं तसं नसतं का मैत्रीण. जैसे दिखता वैसे रहता क्या? आपल्याला असं वाटतं एव्हरीवन म्हणजे सगळ्यांना बोलतोय आपण, असं वाटतंय आपल्याला, पण एव्हरीवन सिंगुलरला असतात ते. गेटिंग इट? जसं दिसतं तसं
नसतं.
एनी डाउट्स?
No.
चलो एक और. एवरीबॉडी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल?
Plural.
चुपके सहेली सिंगुलर है वो. क्यों भला? बॉडी कितने रहते? 4 रहती क्या? एक ही रहती ना बॉडी. प्लूरल क्या बॉडी का? बॉडी का प्लूरल? अरे बॉडी का प्लूरल क्या होता है आयशा मैम?
Bodies.
ऑब्वियसली बॉडीज. बॉडीज. बॉडी का प्लूरल क्या?
Bodies.
यस, बॉडी का प्लूरल डॉल होता है क्या?
No.
बॉडीज रहता है ना, तो फिर सो इट इज व्हाट सिंगुलर. एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
जसं दिसतं तसं ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है हर बार का. चलो लेट्स गो. मजा आती है ना इंग्लिश में? आमच्या टीचरने आम्हाला असं सांगितलं होतं. अरे टीचर गेले चुल्ल्याच्या भाडात. Pay attention. Make sentences now with we. We could. Hi Shoaib.
We could try
Asal coming late.
later.
Could we cry later? Yeah. Repeat.
Try. We could try it later.
Right.
Could we try it later? We couldn't try it later.
Next. Try. Yes.
We could stay at home. Could we stay at home? We couldn't stay at home.
Good. Next.
We could make sentences. Could we make sentences? We couldn't make sentences.
Very good. Next.
We could annoy. Could we annoy? We couldn't annoy.
Annoy. Next.
We could blame him. Could we blame him? We couldn't blame him.
Very good. Blame him. Next.
We could leave a meeting. Could we leave a meeting?
We couldn't leave a meeting. Next. Yes, we could.
We could wear a mask. Could we wear a mask? We couldn't wear a mask.
We couldn't wear a mask. Miss Sana. मैडम आपका आवाज बहुत जोर से आ रहा है.
We could
Yes.
Hello.
together.
We could. Aisha ma'am.
We could work together. Could we work together?
We couldn't work together. Next.
हाँ सर आवाज है।
Yes, speak up. We could.
He could arrange a meeting. Could we arrange a meeting? We could arrange a meeting.
Very good. Next.
We could
could
confuse.
learn,
Could be confused. We couldn't confuse.
Confuse. They could. Make sentences with they could. Yes, they could.
They could happy. Could they happy? They couldn't happy.
Correct, sir. They could happy. They could happy.
Be happy.
Correct. Be happy. अगं मैत्रीण त्या दिवशी आपण बघितलं नाही का बी कुठं लावतो आपण when do we use be? We use be for nouns and adjectives. Yes or no? अरे घेमड़े लोग बोलो ना हाँ नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So-
फिर बोला था ना उस दिन you could. So he will be good. So he will be happy.
Happy.
है का नहीं मैत्रीण? अरे रजा I'll kill you. Raza, what a shame. Jay, what a shame. Please answer me. Please help me. महिला मंडल अपने घर पे आएगा नहीं तो. Let's go make sentences now here. पटकन झटकन इंग्लिश का. Make sentence with could. They could. They could run fast. Could they run fast? They couldn't run fast. They could annoy. Could they annoy? They couldn't annoy. They could command. Could they command? They couldn't command. Take these verbs and make sentences faster. They could approach. Could they approach? They couldn't approach. They could cheat. Could they cheat? They couldn't cheat. They could change. Could they change? They couldn't change. They could acquire. Could they acquire? They couldn't acquire. They could accept. Could they accept? They couldn't accept. They could blush. Could they blush? They couldn't blush. They could believe. Could they believe? They couldn't believe. They could behave. Could they behave? They couldn't behave. They could astonish. Could they astonish? They couldn't astonish. They could compensate. Could they compensate? They couldn't compensate. They could command. Could they command? They couldn't command. They could commit. Could they commit? They couldn't commit. Faster and faster. Make sentences. सोते मत पढ़ो. They could
They could.
command.
They could.
They command and they couldn't command. ऐसे सोते हुए रहेंगे तो अपने को इंग्लिश बहुत स्लो हो जाएगा. I want you to speak amazing. Exactly. जल्दी.
They could ask.
They
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 could
could
collect,
go to the
could they
market.
collect,
Could they
couldn't
go to
collect,
the market? They couldn't go to the market.
Very good. Next. Raza.
They could attach. Could they attach? Attack. They couldn't attack.
Attack. Raza.
they could collect, could they collect, they couldn't collect,
Next.
They could
They
ask.
could.
They could ask.
They
Could they
could
ask?
clean.
They
Could
couldn't
they
ask.
clean? They couldn't clean.
Ask. They could ask. They could clean. Next.
They could collect. Could they collect? They couldn't collect.
Very good. Next.
They could arrive. Could they arrive? They couldn't arrive.
Next.
They could care herself. Could they care herself? They couldn't care herself.
Take care of herself. Take care of herself.
Take care of herself.
Next.
they could borrow,
They could
could they borrow,
decide.
they
Could
couldn't
they
borrow,
decide? They couldn't decide.
Correct. Borrow. Decide. Next.
सर बायकॉट का मतलब क्या होता है?
Boycotts. निषेध करने.
और चौक का
Pardon?
CHOK.
CHO कोई. गला दबाना.
ओके. प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या है उसका?
Choke.
ओके.
Yes. They could choke my throat. तुम लोग मेरा गला दबा डालो. आप लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते इसके लिए.
So what is the meaning of adopt?
गोद लेना. पालना. गोद लेना.
Okay.
Yes.
they could alert, could they alert, they couldn't alert,
Very good. Next.
They could.
They,
They could adopt. Could they adopt? They couldn't adopt.
Compensate. Could they
Very good.
compensate? They couldn't compensate.
Very good. Adore. Compensate. Very
They
good.
could agree. Could they agree? They couldn't agree.
Very good. Next.
They could allow. Could they allow? They couldn't allow.
Very good. Next.
they could
They
abuse.
could
Could they
blush.
abuse?
Could
They
they
couldn't
blush? They
abuse.
couldn't blush.
Very good. Jai.
cheat, they could cheat, could they cheat, they couldn't cheat,
Very good. Miss Sana.
They could
They could
adapt.
dislike. Could they
They
dislike?
could
They
adapt
couldn't
you.
dislike.
Good.
They could
Next.
adapt you. Could you? They adapt you. They couldn't adapt you.
Adopt. Adopt you.
So what do you mean by
Adopt.
astonish?
Astonish. अचंबित करने. हैरान करना.
Surprise.
हाँ, सरप्राइज. पण सरप्राइज जरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. एस्टोनिश जरा थोड़ा अलग होता है. सरप्राइज टाइप ही होता है. हैरान करने. अचंबित बोलते हैं ना उसको. Continue.
They could add some
They could
sugar.
alter.
Could they?
They could alter. Could they alter? They couldn't alter.
Very good. Next.
They could add some sugar. Could they add some
They could
sugar?
appoint.
They
Could they
couldn't
appoint?
some
They could
add some
appoint.
any sugar.
They could
Very good.
acquire.
They could add. They could
couldn't
appoint.
acquire.
Acquire. Next.
They could act. Could they act? They couldn't act.
Act. Next.
They could decline.
astonish
Could
you.
they decline?
Could they
They couldn't
astonish you?
decline.
They couldn't astonish you.
Astonish. Decline. Next.
They could communicate. Could they communicate? They couldn't communicate.
Communicate. Next.
They could explain. Could they explain? They couldn't explain.
Explain. Next.
They could agree. They could agree. Could they agree? They couldn't agree.
Next.
They could arrive. They could arrive. Could they arrive? They couldn't arrive.
Next.
They could hope. Could they hope? They couldn't hope.
Next.
They could eliminate. Could they eliminate? They couldn't eliminate.
Illuminates. Next.
They
They
could
could
admit.
distribute.
They
Could
could
they
boil. Could they
distribute?
boil?
They
They
couldn't
couldn't boil.
distribute.
Boil and distributes. Next.
They could join. Could they join? They couldn't join.
By the way, any doubts to anyone with could?
No.
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. So this is what we have done today here. Can and could completely. So when do we use can? Ability, possibility, and permission. So now whenever you're going to have here the sentences on can and could, you should remember when exactly are we going to use them. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the homework for tomorrow, and the student who will be absent will be losing the next coming chapter. Okay. मैं आप लोग को ये
So what
तभी
is the
पढ़ाऊंगा.
meaning of admire?
एडमायर पसंद करना. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आई एडमायर दिस, मैं इस चीज को पसंद करता हूँ, मानता भी हूँ, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे एडमायर. सो बाय द वे टुमारो आई वांट योर होमवर्क फर्स्ट. एडोर मतलब मानना, पूजना.
हाँ वही ना.
सेम
सेम होता है ना.
सेम. पर एडमायर में पसंद करना भी होता है, मतलब इन्हें आई लाइक इट. और एडोर मतलब इन्हें फक्त मला असा मी म्हणजे रिस्पेक्ट करतो, मी मानतो त्यांना असा. ओके ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाट योर फाइल. ये फाइल सबके पास में है ना?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स मैंने सबको सेंड भी किया था, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ये फाइल के लास्ट में है टेप स्क्रिप्ट. बाय द वे टुमारो इज योर होमवर्क. कल आप लोगों का एक होमवर्क है, एंड दैट यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल द होमवर्क. You can make any article. Okay, you can make any article. Okay, have a look here. Please pay attention. What is this? Page number #8 के ऊपर है, दिख रहा है आपको? Page number #8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, उसके ऊपर है. If you see there, focus on can. जो बंदे ने होमवर्क किया कल उसको मैं लूंगा क्लास में, और जिसने होमवर्क नहीं किया वो जाएगा क्लास के बाहर. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक उसको कल सीखने मिलेगा नहीं. इज दैट क्लियर? और उसको रिकॉर्डिंग में नहीं मिलेगा. सो focus on can. As you can see here, pay attention. Focus on can. Can and could both are the same. Ratalu, coming late. Khalu, pay attention. Very good boy. Both can and could both are the same. So you are just going to give me the homework tomorrow on can and could both. Okay? Can and could दोनों के ऊपर sentence बनाना है. You can make some sentences with can. You can make some sentences with could. Okay?
Yes, sir.
समझा? Good. Have a look
Yes,
here.
sir.
So study pages G. Focus on can. #8 पेज के ऊपर है ये. So sentence देखो कैसे बनाया article. Okay, I can make a cup of coffee. I can make toast. Yes. Can you cook rice? Yes, I can cook rice. No problem. I can make an omelette. Not a very good omelette, but yes, I can make an omelette. Because barbecue chicken? Yes, I can barbecue a chicken. I can do that. I can't make a cake. No, not really. But I can make my own pasta. I have a pasta machine and I often make my own pasta. Yes, so I can do that, but I can't make bread. No. Is that clear? समझा?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा दिमाग यूज करने का, ये अलग आर्टिकल है यहाँ से. ओके ओके. सो ये एक आर्टिकल है, इसके अंदर क्या यूज किया उसने? कैन. देखना है सीधा जादू. फोकस ऑन कैन. I can make a cup of coffee. I can make toast. Yes. Can you cook rice? Yes, I can cook rice. No problem. I can make an omelette. Not a very good omelette, but yes, I can make an omelette. Barbecue a chicken. Yes, I can barbecue a chicken. I can do that. I can't make a cake. No, not really, but I can make my own pasta. I have a pasta machine and I often make my own pasta. Yes, so I can do that, but I can't make bread. No. सो यहाँ पे कैन कितनी बार यूज किया उसने? कैन, कांट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 टाइम्स दिख रहा है? कैन, कांट, कैन, कांट, कैन, कांट. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow I want an article on the basis of can and could. You are going to just make an article. उसके ऊपर आप लोग, अभी जैसे इसने फूड के ऊपर बनाया, आप लोग किसी भी चीज के ऊपर बना सकते हैं. कैसे जय? I can approach to the girl, but I can't ask her for the number. Reza, I can go to her house, but I can't ask her father's number. Why? Because her father can beat me and her brother can kick me. But I can't go and I can't leave her. So आप लोग को can और could के ऊपर sentence बनाना है. Is that clear?
हाँ सर, मिक्स करके बना
Like this.
सकते हैं ना?
Obviously अपना चाहिए मिक्स करके बनाओ. Can and could both. Can, could, couldn't.
Okay,
उसके
sir.
अंदर C and C थोड़ा दिमाग लगाने का. I can make a cup of coffee. This is what? Statement. Getting it? Can you cook rice? This is what? Negative sentence. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ?
sir.
एक क्वेश्चन है वो. ये देखो सो रहा है ऐसा. ऐसे सो मत प्लीज यार. सो मत. So this is the question. Can you cook rice? This is the question. Next. I can't make bread. This is the statement. Correct?
Negative.
No, sir,
Correct. ये
negative.
negative sentence है. ये negative question नहीं है. Negative sentence है. Is that clear? So ऐसे थोड़ा
Yes,
दिमाग
sir.
लगाने का और दिमाग से can could दोनों का मिक्स करके 15 to 20 लाइंस का 15 to 20 लाइंस का आर्टिकल मुझे चाहिए कल आपको आपकी उसकी कसम जिससे आप लोग रात में चैटिंग करते. ओके? इज दैट क्लियर?
व्हाट्सएप
Yes,
करना है या
व्हाट्सएप नहीं करना. नहीं व्हाट्सएप नहीं करना मेरे को. व्हाट्सएप नहीं करना. तुम्हारे चारों भाभी के व्हाट्सएप आते रहते तो व्हाट्सएप नहीं करना मेरे को. यू हैव टू स्पीक अप हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा टुमारो. ओके?
ओके
Yes, sir.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. कोई भाभी बीवी के मैसेज नहीं आते पर आपको यहाँ पे कल आके बोलना है. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
ओके
Yes, sir.
Very good. And tomorrow is my birthday. Okay? Come for the party. See you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Bye bye. Quit the meeting.
Bye, sir.